What's going on, folks? What I have out here today is my citrus that I'm taking out to get some air. Also, too, they started budding out, and I want some bees to like kind of jump on and pollinate them, even though I believe they're self-pollinating. This right here is my Sharanui. I bought this back in 2023, and it must have been about that tall. Now look at her. And when I got her, she had about 6 buds on her. And for the next 2 years or so, she didn't have anything. She's been sitting in my garage under grow lights. And I guess about a week ago, I looked at her and was like, OMG, look at this. I don't know if you know what a Sharanui is, but it's that huge orange with the kind of nipple at the top. There's no way this tree is gonna hold all this fruit. And what I'm finding is the tree is actually, I don't know if it's called self-shedding, but it's dropping buds on its own. And I guess only the strong will survive, because I'm counting these buds and it looks like about 40 or some oranges. This little tree can't hold that amount. Most people will pluck the flowers off, I guess, buds off, and it keeps a select few. I let Mother Nature do its thing. So I'm hoping that I can at least get, I'm hoping I can get 10 off of here, at least 10. I'm gonna prop it up, I'm gonna hold it up, I'm gonna do anything to make it, strengthen it up. And then over here, this little beauty, I've had this since 2021. This is my Dwarf Brown Select. And the first year after I got it, it produced 6 oranges, and they were delicious. And then for the next 2 years, no flowers or anything. Now look at the amount of flowers I have on here. If you can zoom in closely, right here, this right here. See the little teeny green thing? That's an orange coming. So this has been pollinated. So that's a few oranges. I'm gonna prop this up. I'm gonna make sure that we get something off of this year. I'm very excited for this. Okay, make your way over to here. These are lime trees. And if you watch one of my videos back in 2021, 22, these were actually 5-inch clippings where I sat down on the bench. It's a funny video, and I spilt the root hormone. I spilt it all over the place, but these cuttings were actually that big. Now look at them. And they're actually budding. I think last year, one of them budded out and I had a piece of fruit on it, but it didn't hold. This year, I'll be lucky, out of all this, I'll be lucky to get 1 lime off of this, maybe even 2. And the limes are usually about 2 inches tall. Over here, here's another one right here. I almost let that one go, but it bounced back. So I'm gonna continue to feed them and provide water for them over the year. Now check this one out right here. This particular tree took a real big hit. See how it's brown right here? That's dead. It's all dead. I was left with 2 leaves on it. And I said, this plant is about to go. But I took care of her, put some supplements in the water, watered her. Hey, really, dude? Can I make a video? Thank you. Okay, so I gave it supplements, had it in my grow tent, and she bounced back. I think she's gonna make it. So either today or tomorrow, I'm gonna give her a haircut. What I mean by that is I'm gonna come out and I'm gonna snip away anything dead. See, there's no green inside, that's dead, it's done. So this is what you do. I think what happened to this was extreme temperature change. It went from the garage maybe to outside too soon, and then back in the grow tent. So it experienced too much temperature variation changes. So it's done. My last one, and this one right here hurts my feelings so much. We just recently did a video on this one right here. This hurts. I've gotten so much fruit off of this. This is my Miwa Sweet Kumquat. It's gone. It's gone. I don't know what happened to it, but after we got the last bit of fruits off of it, it just kept getting worse and worse. And it never really grew, but I've gotten probably about 3 years of fruit off of this. It's done. I was hoping that I could get a clipping off and then maybe graft it to another citrus tree to continue, but I may have to buy another one. I don't know if I want to buy one. We'll see. We'll see. But the star of the show, why I brought you out here, is over here. Today we're doing a little unboxing. I got a few things from, I don't like big upping people, but I like this place. I'm not getting paid by them, so therefore I don't want to advertise for them. But I got my little helper up here, as usual. He didn't bring his knife, so I bought mine. Okay. Wow, this is actually pretty good. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, this is my white pineberry strawberry. If you ever seen these before, these are the white strawberries. We did a taste test on one of these probably about a year ago. And I normally don't like strawberries. And strawberries in Portuguese is morango. Say it, morango, morango. All right, now back up off me, homeboy. Homeboy, can I do my video? Thank you. This is actually different for, well, you know what? I think I got my last pineberry from a different dealer. But this is packed in real good. Yeah, the last one that I bought, it actually died, I believe. Still unconfirmed because I do have a strawberry and it hasn't grown. But this one is packed in real good. It's still moist. The soil's still moist. It looks very healthy and green. And we got a flower coming right here. That's gonna be a strawberry. This is going to be a strawberry. So this is actually going to produce strawberries this season. Not sure if these two are going to make it or not, but it's going to produce 2 strawberries so far. I expect more to be coming from this. Once this gets established and big, let's say in a pot like this, and it gets that many strawberries, then what I'll do is start propagating them and spreading them into different pots. As it gets bigger and bigger, then what I'll do is I'll move it throughout the yard, just so I can have multiple strawberries growing, not in one concentrated area, but in various places. That way, if any pests comes after them, I still may have a stash somewhere, and that's what I'm hoping for. So stay tuned for updates on this. Nice weight to it. Wow, look at that. And look at the roots. Stay tuned. See you on the next video. Peace.